In this video, I will discuss the newest addition to the Norton Saint-Gobain collision repair portfolio, the Norton Vented Paint Cup System. Designed to make primer, base, and clear coat application faster, cleaner, and more economical. Let's walk through the standard operating procedure. Determine the correct adapter for your spray gun. Fasten the adapter to the spray gun using an adjustable wrench. Choose the paint cup size based on the size of the repair. Norton Vented Paint Cup System offers 3 sizes: 300 milliliter, 750 milliliter, and 1000 milliliter. Mix the paint inside the cup using the mix ratio on the cup and referring to the paint manufacturer instructions for the best results. Choose the correct lid for the repair. Norton Vented Paint Cup System includes 2 options. Attach the lid to the cup. To ensure the lid is properly sealed, place the lid on the cup, twist clockwise until you feel resistance. Connect the spray gun to the cup by pushing the adapter down onto the spout. The arrow on the cup should face the direction you're spraying. Pull the trigger and begin to spray the vehicle. When spraying is complete, it's time to purge the paint from the gun back into the cup. Before removing the spray gun, flip the cup over, holding the spray gun trigger. And at an angle, give the cup 2 to 4 light squeezes. This will allow the paint in the spray gun and adapter to go back into the cup. Remove the paint cup from the gun by pulling the spray gun straight up from the spout with light pressure. If necessary, secure the cup on a flat surface with your hand. If more paint is needed, the cups can easily be refilled. Follow the gun purge and removal process I just reviewed. Then, remove the lid and let the residual paint fall into the cup. Place the lid upside down on the adapter or plug to keep the thread clean. Add mixed paint to the cup. Quickly reattach the lid back onto the cup. We have 2 options for storage. Option 1 is a plug that clicks on the top of the lid, or a flat lid that allows you to stack cups. Using the new Norton Vented Paint Cup System is that easy. To learn more, visit our website, nortonabrasives.com.